Hi everybody, we're here back at BTV at our inaugural Southeast Michigan event. I'm here with John Glancy and his 1975 Travelall that he's actually recently acquired. Interesting story, John. Why don't you tell us about this vehicle's history, how it changed hands?
Well, a buddy of mine from Tennessee, Mike Eppinger, bought it from a gentleman in Montana and had it shipped to him. And he acquired another one because he wanted to do a 7.3 diesel conversion. He found one that he thought was better, sold this to me. I had it about 6 months and blew the motor up going to the airport to go overseas. And so I was kind of disgusted with it and sold it to a friend by the name of Don Miner, who restored it for his customer, who kept it for about 8 years, sold it back to Don, and then about a few months ago, Don sold it back to me. So it's made the rounds.
Yeah, and this is a nice, again, nice, really almost better than driver quality vehicle. What kind of makes it unique is, of course, the mud flaps, which definitely an acquired taste. I think Mr. Glancy likes them, but notice the barn doors.
The biggest fan of those mud flaps is a guy named Mike Moore. He loves them.
Yeah, they're definitely an acquired taste, but again, what's interesting about this one is you very rarely see vehicles, people call them ambulance doors.
Barn doors.
Barn doors. It depends on what region. John spruced it up a little bit. He put mostly NOS anodized aluminum trim back on the vehicle. I believe it's anodized, if not stainless.
It is.
The vehicle didn't have that when he got it back, but
Just needed to break up this black, and tan. I just didn't like it.
Right, and
I think it looks good the way it is.
It's pretty nicely optioned too. Actually, it's got factory air, deluxe interior package, torque plate automatic. It is a true four-wheel drive. It's got some very nice slotted, period-correct, retro-looking wheels on it as a half-ton. Original Lock-O-Matic hubs. Yeah, again, just a nice-looking working Travelall.
She's my sweetheart now.
Yeah, so thanks, John, for bringing it. We all appreciate that it's here.
No problem. Thanks for walking around with us. See you next time.
See you, John.